team and I were out here today to talk to kids about drone flying and internship possibilities and summer camp possibilities that exist with Wings Over the Rockies. So what we really aim to do is give students the training needed and the education needed to become either a pilot or a drone pilot or explore their a career in electronics and engineering. And that's what we're here today to do, is to just talk to them about the potential that exists for drone pilot pathways, so students can get their drone pilot certificate at age 16. And what that enables them to do is to go into the workforce and make between $50,000 and $80,000 a year starting salary. If students don't want to go right into the career path, they have the opportunity to go to a lot of area colleges, Spartan Aeronautical College, Metro State, to get some further education in drones or being a pilot for aircraft. The sky is really the limit. We use drone pilots for everything from roofing inspection to electrical line inspection to agriculture to wildlife spotting to fire management to search and rescue. And the military and government have a huge area where drone pilots are used in a lot of different aspects of things. Almost every single industry, think about biology or forestry, fire, search and rescue, any of those medical fields, they also use drones. Real estate also uses a lot of drone pilots, and there's a lot of real estate around here where you're selling, 5 or more acres of land, and the drones can go up and get a nice video, and that then you don't have to pay for a pilot.
And it'll stay even at the horizon. See how it's moving and getting calibrated? Okay, now watch. Isn't that cool? How it does that? So no matter however you're flying, the picture that you're taking, it will take it and it'll be totally level when you're flying.
We're working through a grant right now, and so what we'd really like to do is partner with the area rural schools here and get a drone program into place, which would also be part of robotics. So a lot of the same principles in a robotics class are also used in flying drones. We talk about pitch, yaw, roll, and then power and that sort of thing. Some of that is already built into the high school right here. So having the drone program on top of that actually guarantees students that much more knowledge, and then the potential to go out into the industry and into even local businesses. And so that would be our goal, to get these students to their Part 107 FAA certification, which is a 60-problem test. It's not easy to pass, so we want to make sure that not only do the students pass that test, but they also have the prerequisite flying skill with a variety of drones that are used in the industry.